Hello everyone, welcome back to our Masti Math channel. So in the previous video we have discussed some basics about the clocks and how to find the angle between the given hands, minutes and hours hand, and how to find the time when the angle is given, and how to find the mirror image of a given time. Okay, so in this video we are going to know about the when the hands of the clock, how many times the hands of the clock coincide, or they may be in a straight line or opposite direction, and right angle when they are doing right angle in a given time. So first we will try to find in 1 hour, okay, how many times the hands of a clock will coincide, how many times they will be in opposite direction, how many times they are doing 90 degrees. Okay, before that we'll see here in 1 hour, see here between 3 o'clock to 4 o'clock the hands are coincide at some point. Okay, so but they will be coincide only once. Between 3 to 4 the hands will be coincide only once, not only 3 to 4, between any duration of in 1 hour, that is 1 to 2 it will be coincide, the hands will be coincide only once, 2 to 3 also only once, 3 to 4, 4 to 5, so like that between the time period you take they will be coincide between 1 hour only once. Okay, the hands will be in opposite direction only once in 1 hour, only once in 1 hour, that is between 6 to 7. Here we are taken an example. So between 6 o'clock to 7 o'clock the hands will be in opposite direction, or they will be in a straight line only once. Okay, like that you can observe for every 1 hour, that is between 1 to 2 o'clock or 2 to 3 o'clock. So it will do only it will be, the hands will be in straight line only once. Okay, so between 3 to 4 the hands will do 90 degrees only twice. That is, see here the angle between the hands will be 90 degrees at 3 o'clock, and when the 3 to 4, between 3 to 4 here this is the other 90 degree angle. Okay, so between 4 to 5 also we can observe two, the 90 degree angles will be 2. So the hands are doing 90 degrees between 1 hour 2 times. Okay, 2 times angles are making, the angles will be 90 degrees between hours and minutes hand. Okay, so this is for 1 hour. Okay, so hands are coincide. So in 12 hours how many times they will be coincide? So in 1 hour, they are coincide only once. So between in 12 hours means what is the time period? Between 1 to 2, so we have to take the time period as 1 o'clock to 12 o'clock. Between the time we have to take in 12 hours, what is the exact time period we are considering? 1 o'clock to 12 o'clock. So 1 o'clock to 12 o'clock we will be having countable period, countable hours as only 11 hours. 1 o'clock to 12 o'clock we have only 11 hours time duration. So they will be coincide, hands will be coincide 11 times, because in 1 hour they are coincide once, only one time. So in 11 hours they will be coincide 11 times. In the same way the hands will be in opposite direction 11 times. Okay, in 12 hours we have 11 hours duration. Okay, 11 hours duration. So in 11 hours duration the hands will be coincide 11 times, and they are also opposite in direction 11 times. Okay, so in 1 hour the angles will be 90 degrees, 2 times angles will be 90 degrees, right? So in 11 hours how many times they will be in right angle? 22 times, because here 11 into 2. Okay, so 11 hours into 2 you will get 22. Okay, so in 1 hour 2 times they are doing 90 degree. So in 11 hours they are doing 22 times as 90 degree. Okay, so similarly we can see in 24 hours, that is in a day, so the hands will be coincide. How many times the hands will be coincide? 22 times. So how many times the hands will be in opposite direction or in a straight line? 22 times, because here number will be double. Okay, so in 12 hours it will be 22 times, and in 24 hours it will be 44 times. So how many times it will be in right angle? 44 times in 24 hours. Okay, so they will be in 24 hours, that is in one day, the angles will be coincide and in opposite direction. How many times it will do? 22 times. Okay, so if we know for 1 hour, if we know the hands, how many times the hands will be coincide, how many times they will be in opposite direction, how many times they will do right angle, so these we have to know for 1 hour. So same thing, then we can calculate for 12 hours. So in the same way we can calculate for 24 hours. So 12 hours means, remember, the time will be taken from 1 o'clock to 12 o'clock, that is 11 hours only. Okay, so accordingly we have to calculate for 24 hours also. 24 hours means we have duration as 22 hours only. Okay, so now we will see some example questions. How many times the hands of a clock are at right angle in 1 hour? So as we seen here, right angle means the hands are doing right angle in 1 hour as 2 times. 2 times they are doing right angle in every 1 hour. So here answer is 2. How many times the hands of a clock are in a straight line in 1 hour? So the hands will be in straight line or in opposite direction. How many times they will be in opposite direction in 1 hour? Only once. Okay, so how many times the hands of a clock are coincide in 1 hour? So how many times they are coincide in 1 hour, as we have seen in the clock? So that is only once. Okay, how many times the hands of a clock coincide in 12 hours? In 12 hours means, I said that 1 o'clock to 12 o'clock we have 11 countable hours. So in 11 hours, so how many times they coincide? 11 hours only, because in 1 hour they are coincide one time. So in 12 hours we have 11 hours. So 11 hours duration, so they will coincide 11 times. So how many times the hands of a clock coincide in a day? That is in 24 hours. So in 12 hours they are coincide 11 times. So in 24 hours they will coincide 22 times. So 11 plus 11, that is 22 times. So how many times the hands of a clock are in opposite to each other in 12 hours? So in 1 hour, they are in opposite direction. Okay, only once. They are in opposite direction in 1 hour. In 1 hour they are in opposite direction only once. Okay, so like that, in 12 hours we have only 11 countable 11 hours duration. So we have 11 times. Okay, so 11 times the hands will be in opposite direction in 12 hours. So how many times the hands of a clock are in opposite direction in 24 hours? In a day means 24 hours. 24 hours means how many countable hours are there? 22 hours duration we have. So 22 hours means 22 times. Okay, so how many times the hands of a clock are in a straight line in 12 hours? So 12 hours means 11 hours duration. So straight line, hands will be in a straight line, that is only 11 times. Okay, so how many times the hands of a clock are in a straight line or opposite direction to each other in 12 hours? So here we need to observe In 1 hour, how many times the hands will be in a straight line? Only once. So in 12 hours, hands will be in a straight line 11 times. Okay, straight line, hands will be in a straight line in 12 hours as 11 times. And how many times they will be in opposite direction in 12 hours? That is also 11 times. So total 22 times. So answer is 22. How many times the hands of a clock makes 90 degrees in 12 hours? So as we know, hands are making 90 degrees only once in 1 hour. So in 12 hours, that is 11 hours duration. So 11 times. How many times the hands of a clock makes 90 degrees in 24 hours? That is in a day. In a day, the hands are making 90 degrees as 44 times, because in 12 hours, that is 11 hours duration, okay, they are making 11 into 2, that is 22 times. Okay, so whereas in 1 hour, that is 2 times, hands are making 90 degrees 2 times in a 1 hour. So in 12 hours, that is in 11 hours time duration, they are doing 22 times. So in 24 hours means we have 22 hours of duration. So that is 22 into 2. So 44 times. Okay, we have to calculate like that. The hands of a correct clock coincide after every 65 into 5 by 11 minutes. Okay, so this is the standard formula we have to remember. So a standard clock, the hands of a correct clock coincide after every 65 into 5 by 11 minutes. And next question, a clock strikes once at 1 o'clock and twice at 2 o'clock and so on, like three times at 3 o'clock and so on. So what is the total number of strikes in a day? So here we have to calculate the number of strikes in 24 hours. So we have to calculate here, like the hands means the clock strikes at 1 o'clock once, 2 o'clock twice, like that 12 o'clock twice. So we have total 24 hours. So the a clock strikes once at 1 o'clock, twice at 2 o'clock. Like that we have to calculate for 24 hours. Number of strikes in 24 hours we have to calculate. So here 24 hours we divide as 12 hours plus 12 hours. So for 1 hour one strike, when the time is 2 o'clock 2 strikes, like that when the time is 12 strikes. So here we have to use the formula sum of the n natural numbers. So here you have to add 2 into 1 plus 12. So sum of n natural numbers, that is n is 12 here, n into n plus 1 by 2. So substitute n as 12 and simplify. 13 into 6, that is 78. 78 into 2, that is 156. 150 strikes for 24 hours. So we can calculate the number of strikes in 24 hours as 156 strikes. Okay, so students, and you have to solve the questions related on clocks in this way. So in order to solve these questions, you have to thorough with this number of times. Okay, this concept, first you have to go this concept clearly, then you have to answer those questions. Okay, I hope you understand the concept and try more examples. Thank you.